All right, JakeOfALL here, and I hate messes, and I really hate cord messes. And since IT is something that I know a little bit about, we're gonna go ahead and clean up our daughter's little gaming setup here. We've got this little kit, sleeves, zip ties, all the Velcro loop you could possibly want. Look at this, these little guys. So let's go ahead. Here's your before. Let's get it done, and then I'll show you an after. Let's take a look at what I got done. First thing I did, I put these little cable holders. They're self-adhesive, right? So that this is gonna come back and go where I want it. And then for things like the mouse that you don't want to lose your cable and you wanna have your slack there, keyboard, the lit mouse pad, went ahead and used that. Then we brought it down and put it in this zipper sleeve. Cool thing about the zipper sleeve is it has those little clasps, and where I've used that is you can see right here where I put this to keep this cable sort of in order. I have one of those that keeps it up. I need to get 2 USB extensions so that I can pull this over here, and then what I'm gonna do is put a couple of these back here, and then I'll probably run a zip tie through it to attach it along the back of this leg. And then one of the things they don't show you, but I sort of knew you could do, is you can take 2 of them and you can link the zippers, and you can see I was able to hide that big bundle of cables. So there's all that. Now all I need is one more piece of this sleeve, maybe 2, and a power strip, because that thing's a joke. So at this point, I'm gonna call it done and push it back. Well, okay, that's not true. I need to get the USB extensions, and then I'm gonna tie this cable up to the back of this leg. But you can see it is much more organized. We'll go around to the front. And you can see there's just one big cable hanging. It looks a lot better. I'll tuck that power adapter between the case and the leg, and then push it against the wall once I get those USB extensions. I'd say that's a quick little fix. Didn't take a lot of effort, and I've got a few extra items. Just need to go ahead and get myself one more, maybe 2 more of the sleeves and the USB. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. And there's the final product. One big cable instead of a bunch of droopy mess. It's tucked out of the way from a distance. Looks pretty good. And as you can see where the power is, there's just one cord, and then a nice clean mess, nice clean bundle there as well. Cables go nice neat back there, and nice and neat there, and there's slack for the mouse. So yeah, check it out. I'd say I'd give them a seal of approval.